Hi, everybody. Today I wanted to share with you a very cool trick. It's called the unique formula, but I'm going to take it a step further and make a dynamic data validation list based on this formula. So have you ever wanted to make your data validation list change based on the data so that you don't manually have to go in there and change things as employees change, product lines, or other information change? Well, I do this often for clients so that they don't have to come back to me and ask me to change things. Things change automatic for them. So here we go. Here I have a long list of names, and you can see there's names that are repeated there. Ada Bug is in there a few times. Crispy Bacon, anyway, they're in there more than once. And I want to just create a list to pull those names out into a clean list. So it is really as simple as typing in unique, so it pulls the unique values in. I have to identify where my source data is. Now I can either do it by defining a range, or I can, in this case, I have a table, so I want to pull the whole column in there because my table could be 2 rows long, or it could be hundreds of rows. So I just want to cover my bases. And that's as simple as that. You can see now I have a list of the names that are found in that list represented there. Now, how do you build a data validation list out of this? Because this list could be 10, 20, 2 names. We don't know how long it will be. So this is how I do that. I go first to my data tab, and then I bring up my data tools, select data validation. I want to make a list, and I'm going to identify the source. Now, I can't pull all of these rows because, again, this is a dynamic formula. The number of row lines in there will change. So I'm only going to bring in the first cell, and you can see down here, it's F2, and then I'm going to add a number sign. So that makes that dynamic. It's just going to pull however many I have. Now you can see here, the lists are found there, and I can pick one. Now, I don't find this to be very nice if it's not alphabetical. So the beauty of array formulas is, this is your bonus tip for today, you can wrap them within other array formulas. So I'm going to wrap this in a sort, closing bracket, hit enter, and now you can see my names are alphabetically sorted. And the same rule applies to my pull down list. Now, let's just say for illustration purposes, I'm going to replace Ada Bug right here with my name. So I am new to this list because before I hit enter, you do not see me here. Now pay attention down here. If I hit enter, my name pops up in the list, and I'm also found in the pull down list. So there you go. If you found that useful, give me a thumbs up or follow me on my channel or find me on LinkedIn. I'd love to connect with you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.